Edo State Deputy Governor, right, Honorable Dennis IDAHOSA, don't talk so the state government still dey serious about the welfare of pensioners. He talked this one when members of Nigerian Union of Pensioners Edo State chapter led by their chairman, Comrade Samuel Hulegbe, come pay and courtesy visit for an office for Government House, Benin City. The deputy governor come hear the pensioners for how them take serve the state well and come thank them on behalf of the governor. He come still assure them say government go clear all the money where them still dey owe pensioners.
Let me commend all of you through the chairman of this body for your commitment towards the development of our dear state. You have served very well, and now I am here on behalf of His Excellency the Executive Governor of Edo State to appreciate you for what you have done. And also, the Executive Governor of Edo State is committed towards the welfare of the pensioners of Edo State. And I'm here to assure you that the Executive Governor of Edo State is committed to clearing all the outstanding arrears. And I'm also here to, on my own capacity as the Deputy Governor, and the supportive mechanism of the Governor of Edo State, that the Governor is committed and you will see the result in no distant time. So by the grace of God, I want to urge you to continue to represent the interest of this body. And the state government will work very closely with you in some of these requests that you've made, and also to improve on area where we have success stories, like the universal health coverage that we are providing to all the pensioners in Edo State. Before now, in the previous administration, the contributing fund were done in a different way, but the Executive Governor, the distinguished Senator Gov Okpebholo, came on board and he said his focus would be the welfare of not just the civil servants in the state, but for those that have retired in our state.
Earlier, Comrade Hulegbe salutes the deputy governor and come also congratulate him on top in victory for Supreme Court. A talk say pensioners they enjoy regular monthly payments where they come before or on the 26th of every month, but say local government pensioners they get delayed sometimes and their payment fee enter next month. A come back say make government put better arrangements so that local government pension go they drop before the last day of every month. Comrade Hulegbe come also talk about another challenge. Say Edo government never implement the 32,000 naira minimum pension where federal government approved since last year, and say Edo State don't raise minimum wage to 70,000 naira since May 2024 and later increase on to 75,000 naira for May 2025, but pensioners never see any change. Say them they worry say government never implement the new minimum pension for Edo.
Pensioners in the state are on the nerves of Nigerian Union of Pensioners State Executive over the partial or non-address of some challenges. One, non-implementation of 32,000 minimum pension arising from 70,000 naira minimum wage. It will be recalled that the federal government approved 32,000 naira minimum pension for federal, state, and local government pensioners last year. In Edo State, 70,000 naira minimum wage has been implemented since May 2024 and has been increased to 75,000 naira minimum wage from May 2025. Pensioners in Edo State are worried that the 32,000 minimum pension arising from 70,000 minimum wage has been implemented in 4 states in the South-South geopolitical zone. We appeal that necessary machinery be set in motion for its implementation in Edo State. 2. Gratuity payment. At the state level, gratuity payment has reached pensioners who retired July, August 2013. It could be recalled that pensioners who retired 2012 and 2013 were screened 8 years ago, while those who retired 2014 and 2015 were screened last year. At the local government level, payment of gratuity are reached 2012. The union appreciates the method of screening and payment of gratuity thereafter, instead of waiting indefinitely for years. The union is appealing that more money should be released for gratuity payment at both the state and local government levels, so that more pensioners will benefit from gratuity payment between now and the end of this year. Payment of 13th month. When the union learned that 13th month payment will be given to workers, we wrote to government to allow 13th month to be extended to pensioners. The union commends the government for paying the 13th month to both the state and local government pensioners. The union commends the state government for continuing with the free enrollment of pensioners into the Edo Health Insurance Scheme. The program will enable pensioners to have access to robust health facilities that can prolong the lifespan of pensioners in the state. 4. Review of contributory pension scheme. The union commends the state government for setting up a committee to review the contributory pension scheme. The essence is to narrow the earning gap in monthly pension between counterparts under the contributory pension scheme and the defined pension benefit scheme. The committee has long submitted its report, and the union is appealing that the report should be considered in the interest of the affected pensioner with minimum delay. Consequential adjustment anchored on 30,000 minimum wage. The Edo State government commend the payment of consequential adjustment arising from 30,000 minimum wage for state pensioners since July 2024. The union is not comfortable that this same consequential adjustment is yet to be implemented for local government pensioners. The union is appealing that considerable effort should be made to remove the disparity between the state pensioner and local government pensioner. Unpaid arrears for some state and local government pensioners. Some pockets of pensioners at both the state and local government section are owed months of unpaid arrears. The union is appealing that their complaint should be considered with the view of offsetting the arrears involved. NUP special request from state government. The Nigerian Union of Pensioners, Edo State Chapter, is still appreciating the magnanimity shown to our union by the then Comrade Governor, Adam Ali Oshomo. He donated a bus to the Nigerian Union of Pensioners about 15 years ago, and as a result of old age, the bus has become a drainage pipe to the union's lean income. The bus is virtually in the mechanic workshop on a weekly basis because of one problem or the other. The union is appealing that the bus should be replaced for all, so that we can carry out our assignments more effectively and efficiently. I'm happy to observe that our union relationship with all pension-related ministries and parastatals of government have been very cordial and mutually beneficial. I wish that the relationship will continue to be sustained for the well-being of pensioners in the state in an atmosphere of conviviality.
Make una not forget say, as we see 'em, na so we dey talk 'em. We not dey take blame. Ekata Ojesoli, TMC News.